Hi, a quick look over the workshop. In the foreground, the red tubular structure is the jig for the portside trailing edge. Dennis is working on this. You can see him making more wooden formers to produce the new aluminium ribs. The two spars, ribs, intercostals and skins will all be new, as the original components were damaged and corroded. The two angle lengths of aluminium on the jig bed are the spars for the trailing edge. Behind this trailing edge is the French Lancaster NX611 port wing. Keith's working on the top side of the wing, fitting and skin pinning the last few skins. When the topside is riveted up, Keith will start to finish off the underside of the wing. He may close part of the leading edge from the engine bay to the outbound of the wing. The only thing missing is the wiring for the landing, identification, navigation lights. Not sure whether these will be fitted. The inboard section will have to be fitted out with engine controls and fuel pipes. They are not fitting either of the fuel tanks in the wing. Is it lining up reasonably well?
Well, some of it. Just this splice bit, not considering how much it was damaged.
I think Jacob wants to have a word with you.
Oh, sorry?
I think Jacob wants to have a word with you. Hi there, Jacob. What?
I was wondering if you could put, you were busy, but I was wondering if you could show me how to knock this out a bit, because I need to draw around it to get new skin. So at the moment it's just crumpled to hell.
Straighten that bit out first.
Yeah.
Cut that crease out. You've got to try and get rid of that, knock that crease out there.
Right.
And then gradually work your way. The trouble is that this has got a double curve on it. It's not flat plate.
Yeah.
It curves round.
So I need to make sure it's much bigger so that I've got room to wheel it as well.
You need an inch round the whole outside of it. Yeah, so we could just start from like the edge there.
Yeah.
And that edge there, knock that down, get a flat metal block.
Yeah.
And knock it down, knock it out, then gradually work your way in, knocking it out. Knock these bits flat and work your way up, and then finally turn it up the other way and gently tap that out your creases. And it should come out. Or just take your time.
Even that bit onto a flat block, yeah?
Yeah, all of it onto a flat block. Yeah, that's fine. You want it all onto a big flat block. Yeah.
Thank you.
So what is that, Jacob? What was your getting advice on knocking that out?
Yeah, knocking that out. So because of how crumpled it is, I can't draw around it to get the right shape to make the new skin. Yeah. So I need to knock all those creases out to give myself a better idea of what the actual final form is.
Yeah. And what do you say? Leave an inch extra?
Yeah, because this is wheeled, because it curves both two ways.
Yeah.
I need to leave myself gripping room for when I'm doing it on the wheel. So yeah, just need a bit more space than if it was just a flat skin. I can't cut it right to the edge.
No.
I've got to leave myself a good inch to go round it.
So he gave us some good advice, has he?
Yeah, definitely, always.
Right, thanks Jacob.
Cheers, Neville.
This is Chris in his French nose. This is the underneath the bottom of the nose. All riveted.
On this last week.
Yeah. He was doing those with his wife and then he was starting on this section. So
Yeah,
he's got all this.
I did all this with him last week.
It's a good neat job. Chris has finished off riveting on the underside of the nose section. Just got a bit round this side to do, finish off, has he?
Yeah.
On the front, the top.
Yeah.
The floor also is riveted up.
Yeah. Rather than going in.
Looking okay, Chris?
Say again.
It's looking okay.
It's looking alright, isn't it?
Yeah.
I've got the floor in.
Yes, I saw from
All
the
right,
other
I
side
didn't
they're all pop riveted.
Yeah. Pop riveted in.
And I see you've got both of these on the outer side.
Yeah, so obviously, when I looked at the drawing, it wasn't very conclusive.
No.
And the fact that their edges are chamfered as well,
Yeah,
it didn't make sense having a panel sat on top of it
yeah,
with a relatively sharp corners, you know what I mean?
yeah.
Made sense for that to go over the top, see it, you know what I mean? Stop the snagging anything.
Yeah.
So I opted to put it on top of them.
You didn't have to joggle it at all.
No.
Just-
So I know on Jane's panels, they're not joggled either. But
No.
one's under the plate, and the other side's over the plate.
Yeah.
And this was the same, but the other way around.
Oh,
But it didn't make sense, you know what I
No.
mean? So I thought it'll make sense now because I'm going to change it.
I think Terry's waiting for
He
you.
is going to start walloping some
Oh,
rivets
yeah.
in.
Terry had received a lesson on riveting from Chris. This is Terry the Riveter.
Apprentice riveted.
Apprentice riveter. What, solid?
Are you right?
Yeah.
Right then. Just take your time to start off until you get back into the swing of it, and then we'll get them put in.
Okie doke.
Okay then, rivet mate. Touch. That'll do, lovely. Next one.
What's it then?
Say again.
Go on this side like.
Right you are.
I'll start with stopwatch now.
Yeah. Are you on it?
Yeah.
Right you are then. Rivet. Rivet. Again. Right, go back to the first one mate, because we need to flatten them a bit more, don't we? Rivet. Nice one.
Okay.
Yeah. These rivets we're putting in, we've got the louver that sits on the back. So the louver sits on the back of it. They normally form the tail of a rivet, like it should be formed. But these are going to be a little bit flatter, otherwise they'll interfere with this louver when it opens and closes.
Okay.
Rivet. Rivet. That'll do, lovely.
Sorry, Chris, you got tested. Them rivets I left you and Jodie last week.
Yeah.
Was you happy with the left?
She was.
Yeah.
Oh,
A
right.
bit
I've just got some more now. So
Yeah.
it should go through this frame alright. Cheers mate. Rivet. Rivet. That'll do.
Have you done any riveting before, Terry?
Only last Thursday. Okay, Chris.
Rivet. Touch. Last one.
Okay.
Yeah. These ones got to be flat now, so we can go back to our
Okie doke.
rivet. Rivet. If you do the rivets on the side of the gripper, then it won't spring out too much then when you take it out.
Are these the old manganese alloy
Yeah,
rivets?
the green ones, yeah.
Okay.
Rivet. Touch. Bit more. Champion.
So we've got to be a bit flatter, you say, for the filter to go up and down.
It's only these three. Just need it to be a bit flatter. The rest, all the rest going in now can be formed properly. Like a wheel of cheese. Rivet. Rivet. That'll do, lovely. Rivet. Touch. Bit more. That'll do.
I thought his name was Malarkey.
Malarkey. Yeah, there's all kinds of malarkey going on here. Rivet. Touch. A proper touch. And again.
Again.
Yeah, when you do your burst,
Yeah.
try and your touch, make it half of what you know what I mean? You'll get used to it.
Don't want to touch more.
No, yeah, just a touch more. That'll do.
Jacob's working on the advice received from Keith.
Cut that one there, yeah. Yeah, so this got
Is this the part
the opposite
for it?
one, yeah, it's nearly finished actually, yeah. Yeah, that one fits nice, so Mike painted in, so I'm going to paint it tomorrow and then probably this one as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, just the last two then.
Coming on, isn't it? Have they made a... What are you going to do now? Put this flooring in the intercostal?
Still waiting for Norm to do his jogging on his stringers. He started it, so not far away. So by the time I've done that back end, hopefully it'll be done. I can drop strap.
Still nothing about the main
No,
38,
I
5
don't
and 38.
know. I might have dashed Norm by that time in here, so he might last.
Yeah. So you got to tell us this week then, Norman.
I'm still on stringers.
No juggling today.
No, not till I get my new tool.
And that's one of the joggles, isn't it?
Yeah.
You've done?
Yeah. A bit there. A couple there. There's 3 there, isn't there?
Oh, they're more shallow, aren't they?
Yeah, but the one that we're waiting to do is so they're quite deep. The ones we're waiting to do is a shallow. It goes at quite an angle.
Oh, does it? Yeah.
And there's a space that goes in the end here.
Keep you going.
I only need 2 of them, but they're right up there at the top, and I can't fit them yet until I know where frame 4041 goes.
Which is that one there? That's frame 41, is it?
That's 41, and 40 is the one in front of it.
I see.
But until I know where that goes, I'm not cutting any of them down. So they're all too long.
Yeah.
All the new ones I put there are too long.
Yeah.
And then when frame 40 goes back into place, frame 4041, I can cut them down the size.
You're not too far away of completing.
And that's why you look around fire.
Chris fitting the guides for the air vent.